today we're gonna be going to the
Winter sport.
Yeah, winter sport.
Temperate house.
Yeah. It's a tree. Get these. It's a desert. Come here. Cold desert, dry winters, harsh conditions.
Well, this is a low.
Aloe loves the sun, thrives in bright light and warm conditions. Ooh. Beautiful storehouse. Oh,
Full of plants. Orchids.
Key. Grows on the ground forest organs. Cold and
There's a big black egg.
cold. Oh, here, guys. Look at this warm rock. It's warm.
Bro, this place is full of nature.
This is definitely a desert or something.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Yo,
look-
comment down below if you know this plant.
Yeah, no. Look at this, guys.
That waterfall too. Dang, look at that, gang. It looks so good.
Look at them.
They're pokey, but they're nice at the same time. Tell us in the comments.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which plant is your favorite?
yeah.
Oh,
Let's just look at this
look
one.
at this one.
This one's like a rock, bro. Yo, wait, let me feel it. Let me feel it. It's not a rock, but it's like so soft.
Yeah, look at this one. Like, look, this looks like the cream in the cake.
It's like a cake.
Yeah,
I know.
I
It's
know.
like a flower cake. Oh, this one. Let's go. Yo. This might be.
Yeah,
This one's spiky,
Yeah,
but
I
it's
know.
nice too.
yeah. At the same
It's like
time.
soft
Oh,
and
no, look
cheese.
at this color. That is so cool. So good.
Yeah, I know.
Look at these ones, guys. Look, these ones look like
These are
nuts
out of
and
the ordinary.
bees. Yeah, look at these inside bits of the stuff.
Yo, this is like a mini forest.
The orange.
Those oranges.
Look at that. Look at the yellow thing.
Yo,
What is that?
look
Yellow banana or something.
at this. It's like a mini butterfly, bro. Look at the inside.
Oh, it's so good. Lemons. That's oranges.
Lemons, yo.
Lemons. Wait, look, it says over there. Lemon mayor, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this little tent. Look at this. This actually looks like just grass, but it's like some cool grass.
It's like some dried moisture.
Moss.
It's like some dried moisture.
Yeah, moss. I think this is broccoli, right?
Yeah, this actually might. No, it's not broccoli, but it's like broccoli.
No, it is broccoli. Look, it is.
Oh, yeah, it's broccoli. It's broccoli, gang. Yo,
Yeah, it smells like broccoli.
smells
Look
like.
at that one. Look at this one.
I'm not being rude, but it smells like farting gas.
That looks as good. Guys.
Look at the soil.
Oh no, look at this, bro. Yeah, I know. Guys, this white, like, it shows up in many colors. I like white. Guys, it's like a devil plant. Like
Oh,
some
yo,
things
red
grow.
roses. Yo, this is like.
Yeah.
Yo, this is actually cool.
Chocolate fire. Chocolate.
Granium chocolate fire. Yo.
This is my like feedback. You see from here, there's all of these little, yeah.
This is a set boundary, but I can't go through it. Yo, look at that.
I know, right? And the exit. Putanga.
Putanga exit house. This is where we came from.
Yeah.
It says CCTV security operating on these premises.
So it's even
Drones.
somewhere someone's got a doorway going, I can see ya, so I can't talk too much when I'm at work.
Yeah. But then I was getting loaded in the truck.
Guys.
Oh, it says mini bird.
No, wait. What is this called again? I can't remember. Piwaka Waka. It's Piwaka Waka.
I don't think so, but it's like a Maori name.
Piwaka Waka.
The ground.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can literally go through.
Oh, hello.
Oh,
What
what
is
a
a
desert
desert?
adaptations.
Adaptions.
What is
Tell
a
you
desert?
about desert. No
Desert.
compaction.
Cold desert, polar desert, hot
Yeah,
desert,
this looks so beautiful.
coastal fog desert.
Look at
so
this.
compact,
Look
yeah.
at the picture. It looks so beautiful.
It looks exactly like this place except for the mountains and other stuff. Going back again. Look at the top.
It's decorated with these plants. I think you can eat these plants, right? Much people eat these. Come on, eat this. This is what
Flowers.
Oh, you see
Common
them
flowers.
on the ground.
Yeah, because they look beautiful on it. Winter veg. Learn how to draw.
Hey guys, look at that face. I think I'll ask my mom.
Look at that building. Yo.
Look at the statues. That Jesus. That's Mary.
Was that Mary?
Yeah, I think so, right?
It looks like the Liberty
Look at
cross.
Mary. Or
It does
Liberty.
look like Mary, probably.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, another one.
No, that's not the same. It has grapes in its hand.
Oh, yeah. This guy's sad. And this is plants, more plants, more exploring. Layered stuff.
Yeah, like important. That's why it has these layers and glass.
Paphodium and Psy. Paphodium hybrid.
Hybrid, you know hybrid, right?
Yeah, you know the
Those
color.
cars. Yeah.
Yeah, sup guys? Come. Don't be shy, don't be shy.
That's
As I
scary.
always say, my sister's right. Look at this. It's like those foamy plants you get it like soft, nice, comfy. Come. Look at those cactuses. You guys might be knowing like this Red Hills. You see Red Hill right there? It's like those it's like poisonous things. If you keep it on your eye will sting. That's why I don't really do it.
It's cool there. Our moms and dads are there.
Come. By the way, my brothers. Yeah, I know it's a mistake, like the mom and dad part, like. Yeah, so our dad is actually not here. So as brothers, actually nice to explore. We've been through a lot of stuff. I'm sorry we didn't do that. Oh, you the trumpet guy. You come. Look at that. Look. Come. It's roots, bro. The trees are like on the space. Yeah, guys. Look at this. As we go in. It's like wild. It's like wild. As we open the door. Look at that one. A mini waterfall. Oh, it's like, oh, you feel it?
I think
Do you feel it?
that.
No, it's not. Can I feel it? Feel it, feel it. As you know, Sarah, in our other video, discovering stuff. Come, let's go, guys.
Look at the reflection. There's a fish, gang.
Fish. Red fish. Should we touch them?
Touch him, touch him.
Come, come. Bro, I've never seen these stuff before. Come guys, come on. Look at that. The Loria, the mussel. Just look at it. There's like 4 plants connected to one root. That's crazy. Come, come, come. You see this key? What does it say? Abus Patented 83 Ali Ali 45 series 2. It looks like it. It's like a porcupine. See that? As we approach the foamy water. I thought it was not a person who owned this place, gang. I thought it was a person like who was discovered. That's why. Come. Gang, look at those fish. Roaming
Look
around.
at that. What's this?
It's like a mini pond.
Yeah.
Yeah, why is everything mini here? It's like beautiful creation.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at all the fish getting out.
Yo, now we're getting up. And we came back out. Yes, you guys. Come. I'm coming back. Come back. So, thank you for watching today, and I hope you liked it. And you can also explore museums, and we'll see you in the museum. We're also going to the museum, and you will see us there. Bye.